Hi everyone. Now we will see how we can perform some basic operations with the database, and there we will not use form or anything. We will simply write some queries and we'll check the database either these operations are working fine or not. So get operation means getting data from the database that we already checked. So now we will check how we can add new user, how we can update, how we can delete. So you will get to know 4 operations till now to get the data which is already implemented, then delete, add and update data also. So this is the Laravel 13 playlist that will definitely help you out for Laravel job project and interviews. You can watch this playlist, link is given in the description box. Now let's come back to the point, and here you can see that we have one function which is getting the data from the database. So similarly, I'll create few more functions. So let's say save, and then I'll write some code there, right? And after that I'm making 2 more functions, update, as well as I'll make 1 more function which is, let's say, delete, like this. So now the next thing is what you can do, you can just copy this code and paste it here there, so that we can just reuse this code. This line will be the same, this return statement will be also the same. What we need to do there, we have to change this statement basically. So now what we'll need to do there, we need to change this select statement to the insert. And now you can write our queries like, I want to insert some data, so I'll put there insert into table name which is users and the fields which I want to insert basically, right? So there we have 4 fields basically: ID, name, email ID and phone number. So ID I'll not change because that is auto incremented. So I'll put there three other fields, which is name, email and phone. And now after that I'll mention values for these fields, and definitely I have to put their question marks only, because these values I have to provide in the second parameter as a array, right? So that will be definitely inside this braces only, like this. And there I can mention Peter, and definitely it should be inside the codes only. So I'll not use Peter there, I'll use their Tony. And then the next one will be the email ID. Let's say tony@test.com. And then the last one is, let's say, if you just random phone number 1 2 3 4 5 something like this, right? And after that we can also check if, so this will actually return 1 if the data is get inserted. So what we can do there, we can simply check there if dollar users, so if the value of this users is 1, if there is some positive value, we can return new user is added or something. And if that will return 0, then we can say that uh, no new user added or something, right? And this return statement is not required, which is outside to this if, right? Okay, so now what we need to do there, we have to make the route for this. So we already have a route for index, so I'll make 1 more route for save, like this. And now let's try there. So I'll just add there save, and we get some issues. The problem is actually we used the double array inside the array. So I'm just removing the inner array, and now it should work fine. So new user is added. Now if I just refresh, now you can see that we have the 1 more new user. Now why the user ID is 8, why not 4? The reason is actually I created few test users before making this video, and this user was deleted. That's why this is 8. So if I just refresh it again, it will add 1 more user with the ID 9. Here you can see that, right? So now after that I want to, let's say by mistakenly I added this user, I want to update its name or something, right? So what I can do, I can just again copy this stuff and paste inside that update function, right? And simply I'll mention update users, which is table name definitely. Then we have to set the things, let's say name which I want to update, so I'll put the question mark. After that, I want to update the email also, so again equal to question mark, and last one is phone. So again, I'll equal to question mark, I'll put there. Now what should be the value and from where they'll come? But there is a one more important thing. We should not update without the where statement, right? And yeah, there we have to use the update function, right? Where statement, otherwise it will update the all users. So we have to use their where id equal to question mark. So now all these information I have to update there. So for first question mark, the data should be there up, let's say Tony Stark, then Tony at the rate Stark. This is the email ID, and phone number is, let's say, 9999 now. And now I have to mention the ID also. So I want to update the user which has the ID 9. So I'll put their 9 ID, right? And there I can say that user is updated. And there I can say that user, no user updated or something. Yeah, now we have to make their route also. So let me just copy and update it with the update function and basically path. Right now, if I just mention update, enter, again we got one more error. I guess I got that. What is the actual issue? So what we need to do there, update users set, I think that we missed. Refresh, user is updated. It should be updated now. If I refresh now, you can see that this is updated. Now let's talk about the last one. Again, we can copy it, paste it, delete method we can use, and we can mention there delete from the user where id is 1, and there let's say id is question mark, right? So what I'll do there, I'll again remove it, and I want to remove the user which has the id 9, right? So what I'll do, again I need to make one more route for delete and delete, and let's say delete. And yeah, one more important thing, we have to update these. The user is deleted, user is not deleted. That you can change, right, according to your like want, whatever text you want to keep. User is deleted. Now let's see. Yes, the 9th user is actually deleted. So this is the way that how we can perform some operations. So in next part, we'll see how we can perform all these operation with the help of models and with the help of form and all right. So thank you so much for watching this part, guys.